Here's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. No matter your purpose, the redesigned Pacifica helps you achieve it. Stow-and-go seating gives you incredible flexibility and best-in-class cargo volume without removing seats. Get effortless functionality with keyless enter and go, second-row power windows, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and a touchscreen display. Stay connected on the go with Uconnect, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and a USB media hub. While you accomplish your to-do list, this Pacifica supports you with safety features, including smart brake, electronic stability control, anti-lock four-wheel disc brakes, and hill start assist.
Enjoy the hands-off ease of rear door operation with the power liftgate. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what is behind you. The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it.
Get the fuel efficiency and utility you need in a family vehicle. Come in for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.